Alright, I'm back. So I've got the canister stove set up. I've got some water. Go ahead and fill that up. Again, that's a 550 milliliter titanium pot. I don't fill it all the way. Go ahead and get the stove turned on here. Easy light. Get it fired up. Put it on there. And then I have over here pre-measured some of my loose leaf yerba mate tea. Again, high caffeine, natural tea. Really like this. It's probably one of the teas I carry the most when I go into the woods, just because I like it so much and it provides me a little energy boost. So I've got that. We'll go ahead and put the lid on here to help bring it to a boil faster. Let me get my timer out. Been on there for about 35 seconds now, but let me get my timer going, see if we can see how long it takes to get this to a boil. There we go. I don't know if you can see it or not. There we go. Pretty stable on there. Not worried about it getting knocked over. Go ahead and edit out the video right now. I'll stop it and come back when it comes to a boil, and then we'll go ahead and brew up the tea. We'll let it boil for another minute or so on a low simmer. I'll adjust the heat down, and we'll go from there.